Alright, now we're going to finish this. Since this is the second video, we're going to finish this and then I'll let you get started on the homework here. So we were just going through examples up here. When you are multiplying numbers and they have the same base, then you add the exponents. Okay, so when we're dividing, you see all these are the division problems and they have the same base, we are going to subtract the exponents, okay? So for this first one, let's do this one here. So 7 to the 5th power divided by 7 to the 2nd power. So we are going to say, I'm going to use this space over here, 7 to the 5th divided by 7 to the 2nd. In order to do that, what we're going to do is subtract the exponents. So this is going to end up being 7 and then 5 minus 2. There should be a minus sign. There we go. 5 minus 2. So what is 5 minus 2? That's 3, right? 7 to the 3rd power. I don't think, I mean, we can simplify that if you want to plug in 7 to the 3rd, but I'm going to bet the other ones you probably can't do. So, I mean, there's an x and a y. I'm going to leave that. Let's do another one. Let's do this one here. X squared divided by x to the negative first. So when we do this again, we're going to write the base, and then we are going to subtract the exponents. So 2 minus negative 1. 2 minus negative 1, isn't that 2 plus positive 1? So that ends up being x to the 3rd. Alright, let's do another one. Which one do you want to do next? I'm going to go, let's do a different color. So 3 to the 3rd, so I'm going to say negative 3 to the 3rd. That looks funny. 3rd, and then negative 3 to the 3rd here as well. Okay, so we're going to write our negative 3, and we're going to say, we subtract those exponents. So 3 minus 3, negative 3 minus 3 is 0. Anything to the anything to the 0 power, we did this the other day, I think, in class. So we said anything to the 0 power is 1. So that one ends up being 1. Let's do one more. So we're going to do this one now. So we're going to say negative y to the 6th power, negative y to the 3rd power. That wasn't very clear. It's supposed to be a 3, sorry. So I'm going to do negative y to the 6 minus 3, which gives us negative y to the, what is 6 minus 3? 6 minus 3 is 3rd power, right? Okay, so which one does not belong? Which one of those does not match the others? I think all of these have 3 as an exponent. So these 3 all have all have 3 as an exponent when they're simplified, except for this one. So I would say, it says cross out the one that does not belong. So I would say, let's cross out this one. We're going to say that one does not belong, and it says state the relationship among the 3 remaining expressions. So we could say here, let me use dark green. So we're going to say the other 3 have 3 as an exponent when simplified. An exponent when simplified. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense for you guys. I'm going to move this over here to where I've got a little extra space. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. You guys let me know if you've got questions. And here is the homework assignment. There are 13 questions. So again, a little bit more than the 10 that I try for every time, but some great practice ones. Hopefully it won't take you too long. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and feel free to rewind and listen to any part of this video or the previous one again if you need to. Alright, good luck.